Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a car seat for your animal, this video is for you. So this is what it looks like after it arrives. Let's see what it looks like after it's opened. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us what you think. But in no way whatsoever will this be provided to me. Pet this review. I'm just here to keep it real. All right, let me go over everything that comes with this. So you have the actual bed that is made out of this it's almost like a crushed velvet, probably because it's just been packaged, but it is like a very, very, very soft, it is kind of a velvety type material, which is very cool. This is the black option. I think there's a different color option, but this one is black. Has this, it's kind of like a bright orange outline that goes all the way around it. The bottom has sort of a non-slit tread to it. Then it has these hooks for the seatbelt that will go through. It has handles for carrying. An added benefit is that this whole thing could come off and this can be washed. So if there's an accident or something needs to happen where this needs to be washed, it can be completely unzipped and thrown in the wash, which is a nice benefit. It has a couple different harnesses that allow it to be strapped into the actual seat, or I will show here in a sec how that looks. And it has an additional cushion that can be placed inside to not make it as deep. Dimension-wise, it is right at 27 inches wide, 21 inches deep this way. The inside dimension, where your fur friend will be sitting, is about 22 by roughly 16 or 17 inches. And with the inner cushion in, it's about 5 to 6 inches deep. With this coming out, you're going to get another, about 4 inches, where you're about 9 inches, 9 to 10 inches deep without the additional cushions. And you can leave this in just to give some more space. If not, then you can put that in there and make it a little shallower. It does have this little indentation here because the vehicle will be, this will be the front of the vehicle, this will be the rear, and it's pushed up against the seat. Little logo action right there. Very, very, very nice. Let's see what this looks like in a vehicle. When installed on a bench seat, this is what it will look like. So you have these hooks that can go around the headrest, and they're long enough and can be adjusted to be pretty wide. I mean, I would say in this example, let's just say a full-size SUV, and this is the third row seat. So this is an example of where on the bench seat, it will definitely fit. Then you have additional straps right here that are all bolted in nice and secure if you wanted to actually secure your animal on a leash and make sure they're kind of locked in, so they're not just sitting here. You could actually have them locked in place based on their their collar or whatever kind of harness they have on them. Another cool benefit is it does have pouches on the sides, so from an extra storage standpoint, leashes, treats, anything you want can be put here, nice and convenient, so everything is with the old animal. You have this back padding here that kind of protects the seat, so in case the animal is large enough that it's going to lean back and you don't want to have potentially fur on your seats, all that's going to kind of be protected. What's another cool part is that underneath it will bolt into using these straps to your seatbelt. So the lap belt goes all the way across, and then you can cinch it tight. So in this example, it's hooked to this one. You can pull that tight, and so it's not going to go anywhere. Some additional mounting is those handles tuck in right there. Those handles, one on this side, one on the other. This also wraps around the actual seatbelt, and then you have these buckles that go around the headrest. So this thing is in there, and it is not coming out. From a secure standpoint, keeping the dog in place, that's very important, and this thing is definitely not going anywhere. And in this example, this is about a 35 pound dog. And you can see that she can sit in there nice and neat. And this is without the bottom area in there. Very, very cool. All nice and tucked in. And if we wanted to bolt her in here, we definitely could, just so she couldn't, roam around the back of the vehicle. So you can see here if she was hanging on, her fur is going to stay on this versus on the seat. Very, very cool. Hopefully this answers any all questions you might have about this animal car seat, and we'll talk to you soon.